Welcome to this meditation, designed to help you clear your mind and embrace a deep sense of wellness. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to relax into the surface beneath you, letting go of any tension or tightness. With each breath, you are releasing any distractions, worries, or thoughts that are not serving you. Now, allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm, steady and calm, as we begin to clear your mind and bring your awareness to the present moment. Bring your focus to the top of your head. Imagine a gentle, soothing light beginning to radiate from the crown of your head. This light is soft, warm, and calming, and as it spreads across your scalp, it begins to melt away any tension or stress. Feel the relaxation spreading down your face, releasing the muscles in your forehead, around your eyes and your jaw. Let this calming energy flow down your neck and shoulders, dissolving any tightness. With each breath you take, you feel lighter, more relaxed. The soothing light continues down your arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Now, imagine this healing light flowing down your back, releasing any tension as it moves along your spine, all the way down to your hips. Feel your legs soften and release as the light moves down to your knees, your calves, and finally to the tips of your toes. With each breath, you become more and more relaxed, your body free of any unnecessary tension. You are becoming grounded and calm. Now, we begin to focus on the mind. Imagine that you are standing at the edge of a calm, peaceful lake. The surface of the water is clear and still. You stand there, breathing deeply, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs. Your mind is like this lake, calm, clear, and full of peace. With each breath, you begin to release any thoughts that are lingering in your mind. Visualize these thoughts as small leaves floating on the surface of the water, See them gently drift away, carried by the soft breeze. Allow each thought, worry, or distraction to pass by like a leaf. There is no need to hold on to anything. Let the current of your breath carry each leaf further into the distance until your mind feels completely clear and free. As the water of the lake becomes more still, your mind follows. The longer you focus on your breath and the peaceful lake, the clearer your thoughts become. Any mental clutter is gently dissolved, leaving behind a sense of spaciousness and calm. Take a few moments to embrace this clarity. Notice how free your mind feels, how open and expansive the space within you is. Now, as your mind has cleared, let's fill it with positive, uplifting energy. Visualize a bright, golden light above you. This light is warm and vibrant, and it radiates an energy of joy, love, and wellness. Imagine this light slowly descending towards you, gently entering the top of your head. Feel it fill your mind with warmth and brightness. As it enters, it fills any empty space in your thoughts with positivity and light. Let this golden energy spread down through your body, filling you with a deep sense of well-being. As the light moves through your heart, feel a sense of gratitude and appreciation for this moment of peace. Allow the golden light to flow down your arms, filling your hands with a gentle warmth, and then continue down into your legs, all the way to your feet. Every cell of your body is now filled with this radiant energy, and with each breath, you are becoming more aligned with this sense of wellness. You are completely enveloped in this light, feeling uplifted, rejuvenated, and calm. Know that this energy is always available to you whenever you need it. It is a part of you, and it will guide you toward feelings of balance and joy. As you continue to breathe deeply and allow the uplifting energy to fill you, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. Let these words sink deep into your being. I am calm, clear, and focused. My mind is peaceful, and my thoughts are aligned with positivity. I embrace wellness in every aspect of my life. I release all that no longer serves me, making space for clarity and joy. I am worthy of peace, abundance, and happiness. Every breath I take brings me closer to my inner calm. I trust in the flow of life, and I am at peace with myself. Feel the truth of these affirmations resonating within you. Now, take a few deep, cleansing breaths. As you do, feel the sense of peace you've cultivated spreading throughout your entire being. Know that this calmness and clarity are with you, and you can return to this space whenever you need. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy flowing through your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes, returning to the present moment. As you reawaken, carry with you the clarity and wellness you've embraced in this meditation. Feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to step forward with a peaceful mind and an open heart. Thank you for joining in this meditation today. May you continue to feel calm, clear, and uplifted in all that you do. Blessed be.